7 Charlie Alpha, can you accept a short approach to 26 left?
7 Charlie Alpha, we can accept a short approach, and after the go, we'd like to do a northwest departure over to Brackett.
7 Charlie Alpha, roger, make short approach, runway 26 left, clear to the option. You'll be turning inside of Boeing 737 on an 8-mile final for parallel run.
We'll make short approach, runway 26 left, understand inside the 737 on the right for Cessna 7 Charlie Alpha.
32 is Alpha, I'll go over to SoCal, thank you. 32 is 2990.
That was 2426, traffic, 12 o'clock, 4 miles, crossing right to left for the parallel runway, Cessna.
That was 2426 looking. How's that traffic on TTS?
That was 2426, that's no factor.
That was 2426.
Watch the signal. Hold it up. So, here we go. Car feet's in. Guys, airspeed. Hey, Joan, it's good. Positive rate.
Yeah, Tower for 7 Charlie Alpha. Yeah, as mentioned, yeah, we'd like to make a northwest departure over to Brackett Airport.
7 Charlie Alpha, roger, you can turn right on course at or below 3000.
Right on course at or below 3000 for Cessna 7 Charlie Alpha.